Hello everyone, it's Dan from Bike Moto. We've been a bit delayed in the videos on the RD250 project because of how busy we are in the workshop, and just I bought something else and started doing that, and that's still not quite finished yet. That's a Lambretta Series 1 1958, I think it is. But I've been getting on with that, but then I sort of not got a stumbling block, but it's just trying to restore the paint is a long process. I've done a lot of it. I've done probably 75% of it, but I've had enough of trying to remove 15 layers of paint, basically. So I've had this RD250LC painted about a year ago. It's been sat in my loft, maybe longer than that. And I thought I'd dig it out and just go through some of the bits, get all the wrapping off the powder coating, and see what I need to get ordered to get it as a rolling chassis again, really, and then go from there. Sorry about the husky voice. Was at football at the weekend, and good result yesterday for Portsmouth against Leeds. That was not a bad one to go to be fair. Hence the husky voice. We were singing quite a lot. So that's it. Yeah, I'm gonna probably cut it now and edit a few bits into this. I might even do like a time lapse on me putting the bits back on the frame, and I'll add the frame like in a sec. All right. So we're upstairs at Bike Moto. Got a box of refinished bolts, not in the original like black colour they should be, or the greeny black colour, but I'm not like going for a full like showroom resto. This is the powder coated frame unwrapped. I put the mud guard on this morning. I should have done that in the time lapse video. We've got the yoke and steering stem there. I've got some new bearings and stuff to go on. Some more bits powder coated here. A couple of new bits in there, like new handlebars and bearings and nuts and bolts and cables and stuff. Unfortunately, I have not brought the swinging arm to work. I think it's still in the loft, because I was hoping, I've got a load of shit here upstairs. I was hoping to get them wheels in it today, which I've had sat there for probably the same amount of time as the frame. But anyway, beggars can't be choosers. I'm going to go through like I said earlier, I'm going to go through what we've got here and try and work out what else I need to get or do before I can put it all back together as a rolling chassis, because I've just been like buying odd bits here and there and getting odd bits done, and I've sort of lost track of where I am. So I need to go through, have a bit of a reset, maybe get some bits bolted on. Like I say, the mud guard, the inner rear mud guard is bolted on. Was all original. It's an original bike that was one owner from new, and unfortunately the chap died and never got round to finishing it off, and it was been sat in his shed since 1985. So I won't bore you with all that, but I've got to get that painted as well. He'd started customising it back in the 80s, and when Coca-Cola paint jobs were probably semi-fashionable. Don't remember Yamaha ever sponsoring Coca-Cola one, but someone might be putting me right on here. And we'll go from that, all right?